Good morning. It's Friday, which means it's time to trade AMD. AMD has been incredible every Friday this entire year. Let's look at it. It's like the same similar pattern that we see every time. We get a little bit of a move up and then a nuke. It goes up, it goes down, it goes up, it goes down. And look, this is like cleanly tagged. We get up one strike higher. Volume is under 100%. So, it's possible we don't see two or three. And what happens? You get a bear right here. Let's look at this thing. There you go. 936, bear bomb. Your max drawdown is 15% and literally 250% or 220% if you hold that thing until the end of the session. But look, clean tag goes up, 180 is the strike, does not break 180, and goes down. Absolutely incredible. You get this too right here, right? What do? We move down one strike, and then boom, 86%. And you're getting 86% right here. Now, the thing to notice, especially with AMD, is eventually it just stops. Wall Street just gets it under control. And you see that here, right, at 175. But then last week we had a sell-off to end the week, and these alerts absolutely killed it. 500%. Oh, my goodness. 500%, 234%. Epic. This is one of those things where, hey, we can keep this bear bias because the bulls aren't taking it up. The entire market starts to sell off. Hey, worth taking a shot, right? And because these are out of the money and go into the money with no time left, you're getting 700% right here. Crazy. Let's look at the 9th. We absolutely crushed it on the 9th. Absolutely crushed it, taking it all the way to here. It was our best trade of the entire year, $100,000. Don't believe it. Click the video down here to check it out. But look, what happens? We go up, we nuke, and then it rips again. And if you actually took it down here, okay, wow, that's like 10x if you're riding from the bottom at below 170 up to 175. Epic. And look, remember, here, the bear bomb, it's going up. We don't want to take that thing yet. You could take it when you get to the strike, 175, but playing puts is hard. But look at this. Rest of the day, what happens? Volume drops off, okay? And we just ping pong, bing bong at 172.5. That's it. You were able to capture this. You get a little bit of the down move, but really, you're looking for, if this thing nukes in the morning, get ready for it to go up. Look at the second. What happens? Go up, a little bit of a nuke, and then 2 full strikes. Boom, 2 red lines, okay? And then what happens? It goes down. It does this like every Friday. Goes up a little bit, goes down, rips. Just know that there's going to be big moves, especially at the open in the first hour of trading. Now, when you're looking at this here, what happens again? Volume kind of flatlines out, and then we just sit 177.50. Ping pong, bing bong. And this is probably an okay trade here at the end. Wow. Awesome trade. But you actually get killed because of this bounce above 177.50 at the end. But again, a little bit of a nuke, baby nuke. 2 full strikes. 2 full strikes, you see the bears come in. Peace out. Peace out of there, man. Because, I mean, look, let's look at this thing. 90%, not bad. Definitely not as good as this guy, though. Wow. Epic. We're going through every day this entire year. What do we see again? What do we see? This day's even more perfect. We go up, we nuke back to the blue line, and here you go. Look at this. That's a bull at the blue. 300%, 300%. Here, when we're going higher, volumes over 100%, we don't want the bears here, right? Because when volume's over 100%, we go into it with the bias that we're going to see more than one strike. And that's exactly what happens. You get up 2, and then look, it's a big bear. Look at this bad boy. 524, that's like $500,000 in put options. And that you could just ride that straight down 300% to right here. Not only that, but when price is nuking, I mean, awesome trade. Incredible. And then the rest of the day is kind of just AMD is a morning trade every single morning. I mean, whoa, crazy, 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 crazy. What happens? Go up, we nuke, you're down here, 162.50, down 2 strikes, and this thing closes at 175. I mean, if you bought calls down here and held until the end of the session, I mean, you're getting like, I don't know, 10% or 10x, 12x more. You're getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I mean, that's crazy. Not sure why everything died out here at the end. Let's look at the 12th. 12th, we were not running the algo on AMD. Sad. What happens? Chop, 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 nuke. You go to 145. Crazy, it was 145 back on January 12th. And then kind of just sits. Morning trades, man. Morning trades for AMD. We weren't running it here either. What do you see? Blue line, rippy, 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 140, and then we come back down. AMD is the place to be this morning. NVIDIA as well. But I mean, when we're looking at this, it's really consistent that we see a giant move at the open and then it gets faded. I mean, look at it again. Nuke, giant move, and it gets faded. I mean, it's all we have to do. It's all we have to prepare for. A little bit of a nuke, giant move, faded. Wow. Who's ready? Who's ready? We're ready. Let's go. See you guys in there.